um Simultaneous equation using elimination method. First off, I'm going to rearrange this second equation. Let's call this equation 1 and this equation 2. So equation 2 is not well arranged, so I'm going to rearrange it. So I will have 2x minus 4y is equal to 12. For that equation 2, I'll bring the x to come and be in the right position. So coming to this side to be minus 2x. Then I have plus 6y. Then I bring minus 3 to this other side. So I will have 3. So now that I have the, the variables are corresponding. So I know that equation 1 and equation 2, I can add them together. I will say add equation 1 and 2. So I know that if I add 2x plus minus 2x, that 2x will be eliminated. That's why we call it elimination method. So I will eliminate x to get y. So doing that, 2x will eliminate 2x. So I will have minus 4y plus 6y is equal to 12 plus 3. So minus 4y plus 6y will give me 2y. So that will be equal to 12 plus 3, that's 15. So my y is equal to 15 over 2. When I divide both sides by 2, I have 15 over 2. So to get my x, I will uh, I will substitute into any of the equation. I can substitute into equation 2. So I'll say minus 2x plus, instead of writing 6y, I'll write 6 into 15 over 2 is equal to 3. So here, so we cancel 6 here. So I have minus 2 minus 2x 3 times 15, because we have 3 left here. That's plus 45 is equal to 3. So I take 45 to the other side. Now we have 2x is equal to 3 minus 45. That will give me minus 2x is equal to minus 42. So I divide both sides by minus 2. Minus 2. So minus 2 here, we cancel minus 2 here. So I have x is equal to, minus cancel out minus. So I have x is equal to 21. 21. And that is my x. My y is 15 over 2 and my x is 21.